What guys and girls, how are we all doing? Welcome back to another video. Excitement, this is what this is. It's going to be the unboxing of my new little toy, which I treated myself to. I've wanted one for ages. I've held off for the Boxing Day sale, thinking it was going to come down in money. It didn't come down in money, so it arrived yesterday. And here it is. Can you guess what it is? Just check out that bad boy. Yeah, you got it. A Mavic 2 Pro. With a Hasselblad camera, and this is a little unboxing video because it is still sealed. So I'm excited to open her up and have a little look at it. You know, it's better than the original Pro because it said it's, you know, you've got longer flight time, you've got more of a speed, you've got that better camera on it, and I'm just excited. It's going to take the exploring to the next level. So, you know, let's get into it. Case is off. You know, again, you got that little bit of information about it. Some of you can ask the cost of it. With a memory card, it was near enough 1400 quid. But it's worth it. Look at that, fresh. Obviously the controller with the iPhone will go on too. I am excited. That's my phone dinging away, do apologise. Look at that, guys. Hell yeah. You know, this is only literally a little teaser video of it. I'm excited, need to connect it up with the phone. You know, I'm hoping to get out and get it flying later. So what I think is, my plan, I am sweating because I've literally just come back from the gym. Tuesdays, usual exploring video. Obviously Friday I slip in a little bit of a explore that wasn't really great, that doesn't really warrant a Tuesday video. But I'm going to give a set day, and it's going to be drone day. So each week I'm going to put up videos from the drone, whether that's some landscapes, whether that's some abandoned buildings, and just see stuff from a different perspective. And yeah, there's a couple more exciting things as well, which I'm not going to say too much about. But here she is. Well, that's looking a bit more like a drone. Now we've got the blades on it. I am excited, that's all I'm going to say. Very, very excited. Obviously, you've got to push them down, lock them into place. It's going to be damn good. Instructions there if you need it. I'm not really going to go through it because I've been lucky enough to fly Kurt's drone over the last year or so. So near enough to know what I'm doing. But that might be of use if it's new to you. And yeah, that's about it for the unpacking of the drone. I'm excited. Well, you have to let me know what you think of them, guys.